Guys, for this video, I'm gonna show all of the pre-order benefits of Season Greetings 2025 ng Red Velvet from different shops. So, this is total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, total of 8 shops. Tadan! Teka. Ayan. So, what I tried to do is, I only bought yung mga magkakaiba. Kasi may iba na halos same lang naman siya. So, there's like parang more than 20 shops? Joke. Ewan ko. Basta sobrang daming shops na may kanya-kanyang POV and I didn't want na puro duplicates. Anyway, so, let's start with this one. Actually, hindi ko memorize kung from which shop siya. This one, I'm sure it's from With Drama. Yung before it was With Drama but now it's With Moo. So, let's see what's inside. By the way, thank you so much to all na sumabay regarding pati dun sa tingi. So, yeah, this one is for the ones na may pulling. This one is the back part no sa With Moo. So, 1 per member and then total of 5 cards. So, this one is sa With Moo. Kita ba? Kita naman. Feeling ko sobrang lapit ng camera ko, hindi ba? Or should I make it a bit farther? Wait lang. Let me find a box here. Hold on. Kasi earlier, I was planning to use my room, pero it was so magulo. Wait lang. Wait. I don't want to edit anymore. I'm so sorry. Please wait na lang. Before kasi, usually, i-edit ko pa siya, pero wala na akong time mag-edit, so. Ang gulo, diba? Kanina kasi nag-open ako. Hold on. Ayan. Para mas malayo na konti. Wait. Anyway, so back to the unboxing video. Unboxing POBs. Okay, game na. So, parang lumayo lang siya ng onte. Anyway, so this one is the With Moo POB, shop POB. So, Irene, Shugi, Wendy, kita ba? Ayan. Wendy, Joy, Yari. So, this one is a With Moo POB. And then, what else do I remember? This one, I think this one is Apple Music. Kasi the Apple Music, meron siya yung with frame. So, yung frame niya is not 5 pieces but 1 lang per set. Ayan. Ito yung sa frame na sinasabi ko. So, 1 lang siya. So, this one is ganyan. Oops, may isang dirt. May tiny, ayun, ba't natanggal siya. So, this one is 1. Irene. Ayan, lagyan natin ng frame. Sugi. Oh, by the way, this one is the back part. I forgot to show the back part. I'm so sorry. And this one is Wendy version. Oops. Ganda pala pag may frame, no? Siguro pag may frame mo, pwede ko rin siya gamitin sa ibang cards. Like, ibang POV. Hihi. Yan. Tadan. Yung kay Joy ba nalagyan ko ng frame? Tadan. Anyways. So, ayan na. That's it. Okay, so this one is Apple Music. Isoli ko muna siya kasi usually I tend to mix them up. And patay ako pag na-mix up ko siya. Ay, nako. Last time na-mix up ko nahirapan ako i-sort out. Wait lang. Ayan, para alam ko na itong set siya and then itong set siya. So, anyways, going back. Ano pa ba yung short ko dito? Yung SM, usually meron siyang sticker. Hanapin natin may sticker yun yung sa SM. This one. This one is sa SM to. I'm sure of it na. Because every year, ever since na may POB, meron silang ganitong sticker. Paano kaya i-identify yung iba? Let me search it later. Teka, anyways, this one is for the... Wala pa naman ako isang phone dito. Oh, sige, game. So this one is, again, sa SM. Let's see. Yung likod niya is color white. Sa kanilang atin na iba. Tama ba? Blue. Let's see. Curious din ako eh. Blue. Blue. So, yeah. Ayan. Para mas mabilis yung ma-identify kung wala hindi pa dumarating sa inyo or pag mag-sort out pa lang kayo. When you see the white one, it's the SM. Unless na meron pa ibang shop na hindi ko nabili na white din. Pero so far, sa batch ko, ito lang yung may white. Anyway, so let's see. This one is SM Town. Some store, POB. Ayan. Grabe, sobrang hirap ng mga POB. Parang ginagawa na rin siyang random card. Ay, nako. Pero but nilang it's OT5. Anyways, this one is yung sa loob niya. Tadan. Parang siyang summer theme. Tadan. Parang dalawang team na ginawa niya eh. Siren. Mas may siren na card set, diba? Summer theme and mermaid theme. I don't know. Anyways, it's summer vibe. So, this one is yung sa SM. Paano ko yung iba? Wait, let me try to recall. I think I have Hot Rocks. KN Pops. I think this one is yung sa Hot Rocks. This one wait. I know na. Wait super fast na. Ayoko na mag-edit talaga. Wait na. Okay. I have a master discuss so I can see based on the quantity. Wait lang. Okay, so sa Hot Rocks. Okay, got it na. Hihihi. May cheating nga dito sa gilid ng quantity. Kasi sa Hot Rocks, I can clearly remember I ordered 3. Tapos, mag-base ako sa quantity kasi meron pa ako dito iba. Teka. Ayan no. So, total of 3. Ito yun. So, Hot Rocks na to. Okay, anyways, this one is Hot Rocks. Let's see. This one is Hot Rocks POB. It's hologram. Ang nice, diba? Hot Rocks. Thanks for giving us holo cards. Yan. Let's see Let's see. Let's go through. Isang dirt. Isang tiny dirt. I think di siya dirt. I think sa pagka-print mismo. Tudun. Lahat ba? Hindi naman. Yeah, it's not all. Anyways, so we have here holographic. Tudun. Ang ganda ng holographic niya. Holographic. Pero ito lang ata yung holographic or may iba pa. Sana ito lang para hindi ako mainis na hindi ako nakapag-order. Baka mamaya hanap. Kasi sometimes mayroong cards na parang hindi ko siya na-order pero na-bebet ko siya. So, I need to find it pa. So, anyways, this one is Hot Rocks. Hot Rocks POB. Ayan. And then, after ng Hot Rocks, ano pa ba yung may duplicates ko? Cheating lang ako. So, meron ditong Yes 24. Hindi ko alam ano dito yung Yes 24. Oh, no. Meron ditong isang Yes 24, isang Music and Drama, isang Everline. KN Pops. Oh, wait. I think I can identify the KN Pops. Wait lang maghahanap ako ng kadouble niya. Dalawa yung in-order ka sa KN Pops. This one is some store. Oh, this one. I'm sure of it na. This one is KN Pops. KN Pops. Let's see. Parang walang anything, no? Parang walang anything. Before kasi sa KN Pops, parang they used to do yung may design. Like parang holographic or what. Or may design yung card. This year parang wala lang. This one is Joy, Irene, Shugi, Wendy, and Gary. Tadun. So this one is yung sa KN Pops. And then, let's see yung iba pa. I don't know which is which na. I know. Oh no. Meron na lang is Music and Drama. Everline, and Yes24. I don't know na. Itong tatlo kung which one is which. I think ito yung music and drama. Kasi music and drama last year was Polaroid eh. So I'm guessing this one is music and drama. Hindi ko siya ma-check yun kasi isa lang yun naman yung cellphone ko. Ginagamit ko yung cellphone ko yun sa pang video. So may laman ko siya later. Anyways, I'm guessing this one is music and drama kasi it's Polaroid. Polaroid. Tadan! Ang tanga ko nakasutika. Kaya ba? Malabo ba? Ayan. Wait. Tadan. So, ayan na nga siya. Nakasulat na pala siya. Hindi lang nagbabasa. M&D, music and drama. Last year, Polaroid rin sila pati nung other year. Yung sa last year, ang dami kong, kasi feeling ko parang ang rare ng Polaroid. Ang dami kong in-order, nakastock lang siya doon. So, pag need nyo, baka pwede tayo mag-trade na lang. Sa mga may checklist pa ako. Ang dami ko pang hindi natatapos kasi medyo naging busy ako sa ilang months ago. So, I think ang dami ko na miss out. So, mag-trade na lang tayo. Anyway, so, ayan, Yeri, and then, may ganyan siya. Oh, may pagayan pa siya. Credits, SM Entertainment. Ang ganda, bet ko siya. Buti na lang wala siya yung ano. Alam nyo if na-notice nyo, pag nagkakawak ko ng cards, ayoko talaga i-touch yung likod kasi mamaya mag-ano yung fingerprint ko. Anyways, meron na nga oh. Ano ba yan? Excuse me. Ayan. So, Yeri. And let's start with Irene. Parang same lang siya doon sa picture kanina. Except na Polaroid version siya. Ang galing rin nila mag-isip, no? Ng styles. Oops. Wendy. Joy. Eric. Okay. So, this one is music and drama. I don't know which one is Yes24 and which one is, ano isa pa? Yes24 and Everline. I forgot ni. Oh no. Wala ba siyang clue? Okay. I think, ewan ko. Hindi ko natagal. Baka ito yung Yes24. Baka lang Kung mali, I'm so sorry na lang. Edit na lang. Hindi ko na siya may edit. Sa comment na lang. Charot lang. Oh, I need to break it apart. It hurts. Charot. Hindi na siya sealed. Alam mo, mas maganda yung ganyan eh. Para pag bibili ka, alam mo kung sealed or hindi. Kasi mamaya nasa taas lang. Tapos, sabihin sealed, pero hindi naman pala sealed. Mas maganda yung ganyan na open. Para alam ng tao kung talagang bago or not. Anyways, ito na yung sa Yes24 ata. Ayan, tadan. Last one. Tadan. So, this one is yung sa Yes24. Balik ko. Ayan. And then, last but not the least, tadan, last set. This one is the 8th one. Alam niyo, nag-order ko ng Aladdin, tapos, kinancel. In-order ko yung Aladdin. First time ko second time pala, na hindi ako nag-direct. Tapos, ayun, kinancel. I mean, like, parang out of stock. Sad, sobra. So, pag may Aladdin kayo, baka pwede mag-trade na lang tayo. Meron pa kang extras, kahit sa previous eras. Anyways, this one is isa pang set. I think this one is Everline. Unless na baliktad pala. Unless din kanina pala yung Everline. And then ito yung S24. But I'm guessing this one is Everline. Tada! Ayan. So, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. And then, don't forget to leave a comment. Comment yung arrangement ng cards. And then, there's another giveaway. So, this one, Yes24, and then, ano ba sinabi ko? Yes, 24 and then, Everline. Ayan. So, comment yung member na want yung POB. Malay nyo, manalo kayo. And then, yeah. So, random one winner. Comment nyo lang kung ano yung arrangement nung pagka-open ko. Kung which shop POB siya. Total of 8. So, dapat 8 shops yung mga comment nyo. And then, the member ko ano yung bet nyo. And then, bibigyan ko kayo ng random prize. Thank you for watching. Dun, dun, dun. Ayan. Ito na lang yung thumbnail. Bakit naman dito isa? Ayan. Gawin ko ng thumbnail. So, thanks for watching. Bye.